I have some Matchbox cars I picked up at the monthly Hot Wheels show. 4 of them are muscle cars. I'll show those last at the end. You might want to stick around and check those out. Some of them are pretty cool. We'll start out with just the regular Matchbox cars that I found. This first one is a 1956 Buick Century. It's a rescue vehicle. And it's red with white, pretty cool. This is made in 2023, I do believe. Yeah, 2023. So it's fairly new. Let's open it up. Wow, is that nice? Matchbox County Fire Chief. Red. It's got an emergency light on the top. I can't really see inside the car too well, but it is a dark interior. Copyright 2012. 58 Buick Century Police. Nice. Move these over. Next, we have the 2016 Toyota Tacoma with a camper on it. And this one is from 2021. Oh, the camper comes out. That's pretty cool. Snaps back in. Yellow, orange, and red on the back. Looks pretty nice. (2016) copyright. A 16 Tacoma. Pretty cool. I like that camper. Let's check out this one here. This is a 2015 Mazda Miata. This is from 2021. Wow, nice car. Gray interior. (2015) Mazda MX-5 Miata. Copyright the same, 2015. Convertible. Next, a 34 Chevy Master Coupe. This is also from 2021. Wow, nice paint on that sparkling blue. Chrome looking front end with a chrome grille, nice headlights. Spare tire in the back, plastic bumper. (1934) Chevy Master Coupe. I'm not sure if I see the copyright or not. No, I don't see the copyright. Oh, wait a minute. 2020. Wow, it's a nice looking car. And last, before we get to the muscle cars, it's another Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40, 97 out of 100. And this is from 2022. It's gray with the Matchbox colors on the side. Back doors swing out. It's got windows in the back and on the sides. Mirror. Toyota Land Cruiser 1968, it says. Interesting. I didn't think it was that old. Kind of looks like a Jeep in a way. White roof. And now we're going to get to the ones we all been waiting for, the muscle cars. Let's start out with this one here. This is a beautiful Camaro. There's a set of 6 of these, the 70-year ones. I only got 4 of them. 69 Camaro SS 396 convertible. And obviously these would be from 2023. Orange color with a black stripe on the side. 2-door. Black interior. They could have did better with the headlights. '69 Camaro SS 396. And the copyright on this is 1996 and 2021. So there was 2 copyrights. And next, got a real nice one here. This is a 2018 Dodge Charger. (2023). Oh yeah, look at that green paint, glistening. 4-door. Good job on the front and rear end. Oh, look at their rear end. It almost looks like a Dodge Intrepid. 2018 Dodge Charger. It's got a 2018 copyright. Wow, it's a really nice car. Love that paint. Okay, we got two more to go, and both of them are Mustangs. So let's start out with this one here. It's a beauty, a 1965 Ford Mustang GT. Also from 2023. Yeah, as you can see, there's a set of these up there. There's the Camaro, the Charger, the two Mustangs, Plymouth, and a Corvette. So I don't have the Corvette and the Plymouth. White with red stripes on top and sides. Got like a red colored bumper. Red interior. Beautiful rims. 2019 copyright. 65 Mustang GT. Wow, it's a gorgeous car. If they would have just did the headlights and taillights better, this thing would be perfect. Okay. And got one more. This is a newer Mustang. 2019 Ford Mustang Coupe. Same 2023. All white. Now this one did a great job on the tail lights. Wow. Same with the front end. Looks good. Then you got gray interior. All white. I kind of like it. A Mustang on the plate holder. GT across the back. Pretty good looking car. Let's see. 2019 Ford Mustang Coupe with the same copyright, 2019. Yeah, Matchbox keep doing these cars with the rear ends and front ends like that. All right. Now, we're going to pick the star of the show. Now, I'm going to have two stars of the shows because we got the muscle cars and the regular ones. So, I'm going to pick my regular one first. And I'll tell you, I really like this. I really like this Buick Century emergency car. Nice. So that's going to be the star of the show for the regular cars. And then as far as the muscle cars go, boy, I'll tell you, I really like them all, but this Charger really stands out. The paint job's awesome. Did a good job on the front and rear end. Nice interior. Yeah, so this is the star of the muscles. Well, anyway, that about does it. And if you want to pick your own star of the show, just let me know in the comment box. And appreciate everybody stopping by, and if you like the video, slam that like and subscribe button.